Hi, my name is Avery Ash, and for our last interactive case study, we are talking about immunosuppressive drugs for people with kidney transplants, and the drug that I chose is Repamune. Immunosuppressive drugs work by suppressing the immune system because when a new organ is introduced into a body, the immune system sees the foreign cells as an intruder and it launches an immune response against it. So when people get a transplant, they need these drugs to ensure that the transplanted organ can actually do its job. Repamune is used for people undergoing kidney transplants, and it stops the body from rejecting the new kidney. It is also referred to as sirolimus and rapamycin, and it is a macrocyclic lactone, and it is produced by the bacteria Streptomyces hygroscopius. And there's a little picture there of what it looks like. Repamune inhibits the activation of T and B cells by reducing their sensitivity to interleukin-2, which is an immune system signaling molecule, and it also reduces their sensitivity to other cytokines. And it does this by binding to the cytosolic protein FK binding protein, and this combination of FKBP12 along with rapamycin that inhibits the mammalian target of rapamycin pathway. It's a mouthful. mTOR is a kinase with two distinct protein complexes. mTOR1 is the complex involved in this scenario, and rapamycin arrests the cell G1 phase in the T and B cells and inhibits the mTOR complex 1. Repamune is the most effective drug available for people with kidney transplants because it has the lowest toxicity to that specific organ compared to other immunosuppressive drugs, especially if the patient was looking to treat hemolytic uremic syndrome. Other drugs can cause that syndrome to return in the new kidney. So Repamune is good because it doesn't do that. The effects on the immune system, because T and B cells are not activated, that means that there's no antibody response and no T cell mediated response. So the immune system doesn't work, which is beneficial for the kidney, but is not so much if the patient were to become sick or to get another kind of infection. The immune system is not able to work in the way that it normally would. Those are my sources that I used. Thanks for coming along with me, and have a good night.